In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Aircall, a fantastic way to streamline your customer communications and enhance your workflow. Whether you're looking to improve your sales, customer service, or marketing efforts, integrating these two platforms can provide a seamless experience that empowers your team and boosts your productivity. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you need to navigate to the HubSpot marketplace. If you're unfamiliar with this, it's a place where you can find and seamlessly add new tools and functionality to your HubSpot account. To access it, start at the upper menu of your HubSpot interface. Here, you'll see an array of icons, but the one we're interested in is the Marketplace icon. Go ahead and click on that, and then select HubSpot Marketplace from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the hub of integrations, apps, and plugins specifically designed to work hand-in-hand with your HubSpot setup. Once you're in the HubSpot Marketplace, it's time to locate the Aircall app. In the search bar, simply type Aircall. This search function will filter through the numerous offerings in the marketplace to hone in on the exact tool you're looking to integrate. Finding Aircall shouldn't take long. As soon as it pops up in the search results, you'll be able to see a bit more about what it offers. It's always a good idea to read up on its features briefly so you can maximize its potential use for your business needs. Now comes the installation phase. Once you're satisfied that Aircall is indeed the tool you need, go ahead and click on the Install button. This process will begin the integration setup between Aircall and your HubSpot account. An important thing to note during this step is to carefully follow any on-screen instructions or prompts that might appear, as they will likely guide you through the authorization process, ensuring both platforms can communicate with one another effectively. Also, make sure that you have the necessary permissions to install new apps on your HubSpot account. Otherwise, you might run into some access issues. So there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've opened up a whole new level of efficiency by integrating HubSpot with Aircall. By leveraging the strengths of both platforms, you're well on your way to streamlining communication and bringing a new level of organization to your efforts. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to harness these tools to their full potential. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.